In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation button to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to enhance your site, especially if you're a nonprofit organization looking to easily gather funds from your supporters. Let's dive right into the steps, ensuring you can do this seamlessly. First, you'll want to open your Wix editor or Wix Studio. Once you're there, head over to the left menu. You'll see a lot of options, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Look for the app market. This is where all the magic happens. The app market is like your one-stop shop for integrating new features into your site. Once you're in the app market, you'll need to search for the Wix Donations app. It's specifically designed to help you add a donation button or widget effortlessly. Now, when you find it, go ahead and install the app. Installing the app will automatically add a donation widget to your site, making things much simpler for you. The next step after installation is customization. This is where you get to give your donation button a personal touch. You can change the button text to something inviting, like donate now. Also, it's a good idea to set up suggested donation amounts. These are preset amounts that visitors can choose from, which can subtly guide them in their giving journey. Additionally, consider offering the option for recurring donations. This is optional, but if it's something your organization could benefit from, it's worth setting up. After customizing your donation button, it's crucial to ensure a smooth payment process for your donors. To do this, you need to connect your donation app to a payment method. Wix Payments is a very reliable choice, but if you already use PayPal, that's also an option. Connecting these ensures that all the donations can be processed securely and efficiently. That's pretty much it. With everything set up, visitors to your Wix website can now make donations, helping you gather funds effortlessly. Adding this feature not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also makes the donation process simple and professional for your supporters. Remember, the key here is to ensure that the whole process, from button setup to the actual donation, is smooth and user-friendly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep in mind that adding a donation button is just one of many ways you can optimize your Wix website to better serve your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy creating!